Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking Chrysler Pacificas today, and in the event that your Chrysler Pacifica has that red dot illuminated on your instrument cluster, just to the right of the word brake or your check engine light, we're going to show you why that's illuminated, or in other words, what's causing it to illuminate. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, hey, real quick, we're going to hit the computer. I do want to show you this photo. As you can see, the red dot is illuminated, and just to the left of the red dot, you can see the word brake, as well as our check engine light is illuminated. And shift all the way over to the right, and below the MPH, or miles per hour, which you see 0, you can see our odometer, or current mileage, on our Pacifica, 62,940 miles. So, in the event that you are experiencing this issue within the same range as our current odometer, hey, you're not the only one. Welcome to the club. However, in this video, I did want to show you that photo because it is very likely that this is the exact issue you are experiencing. And again, welcome to the club. You're not alone. It did happen to us, as you can see here. And before we move out to the garage, I do again want to talk about the focused in topic in this specific video, and that is showing you the worst possible outcome when that very red dot illuminates on your instrument cluster. And that is a faulty auxiliary battery. However, again, that's the worst case scenario, and we are going to show you what it looks like in this video. However, in the event that you are out and about and this has happened to you, we might be able to help you reset your system so you can start your engine and safely drive home or to a local dealership or shop where you can get the vehicle serviced. And that link is scrolling above. It's going to talk about some common causes and, again, a possible reset that can help you reconfigure your electrical system and vehicle to get that engine started so you can get home safely. But again, in this video, we're going to talk about the auxiliary battery, which is basically a small jet ski battery or motorcycle size battery. Let's head out to the garage and take a look. All right, DIYers, we are inside the garage, and on the far end of the garage is our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica, and we'll get to that here shortly. We got a 91 Z24 Cavalier, and there's my wife's 1995 Sea-Doo XP. She loves that. However, again, the red dot and why your engine is not starting. Driver's side, coming inside the door, I'm going to go down below and open up the hood. And let's go outside and open it up. Here we are out front and standing in front of the vehicle and coming inside the engine compartment and to the right side if you're standing in front of it. And you can see your larger or primary 12-volt battery. However, let's direct our attention to the left of the primary battery where you will find a smaller, more motorcycle-sized battery, as you can see right there. And that is your auxiliary battery. And DIYers, its sole purpose, or one of its sole purposes, is starting your engine. And you can see the positive lead on the right-hand side and the negative lead coming inside there. Again, a smaller auxiliary battery, basically the size of a motorcycle battery, just to the left of your large primary battery. And all of the months and years of starting the engine, or in other words, that feature that allows your engine to turn off when you're at stop signs or stop lights and you're holding your brake, well, unfortunately, every time you release your brake and the engine starts, well, that's constantly putting wear and tear on your starter and battery, and one of them is going to fail. And if you're watching this video and you cannot start your engine and you've got that red dot, chances are you have a faulty or needing to be replaced small auxiliary battery. So I wanted to show you that. And in addition, that you want step-by-step guidance on how to properly and safely replace your small auxiliary battery, definitely check out the link scrolling above, and we will also post it down below in the comment section and description section. So definitely check that out. DIYers, that is it. We hope this helps, and we hope you can get your engine up and running and not be stranded. From here, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.